Hi there. So today I am going to be showing you through my website, animoto.com. Animoto is a website that you can use to create professional video slideshows. And within these slideshows, you can add in pictures, video clips, and even music. So to get started, what you do is you create an account with Animoto. Might I add in that to create an account is free. So once you do that, you click onto your account, and if you click, again, here it is, your account plan is free. You go on to the blog, and in the Animoto blog, to start off, if you're confused at the site, you can watch a guide to getting started. I know when I started poking around on Animoto, I watched a couple of getting started videos to help me figure my way throughout the site, and it was actually really helpful and beneficial. These videos are like a step-by-step tutorial on what you need to do for Animoto. So if you scroll down and go to the Explore button, you have a vast variety of categories to go through and click. So, for an example, if you wanted to create a video about your birthday party or like a wedding that you had, you can even look at their different types of voiceovers, text and fonts, their logo watermarks, their music library, just a bunch of different features. So I'm just going to click one to give you just a little bit of an example. So I'm going to click the slideshow video. And when you get onto here, it even gives you like a little intro video that you can to get started, and you can click here to get them for free. If you scroll down, what I personally love about the site is that it gives you different templates to use for the types of videos that you want to create. So if I click on to use this template, up pops again a little video of what your own video could look like. So if you hit choose template, it starts to get your template ready for you to build and create off of, which again was really beneficial, especially for someone who's not too familiar with this site. So if you click on to just this, you hit edit. What's really cool is that you can add in your own text. So for example, I'm just going to do my name is Katie. And you can make this as big as you want, as small as you want, and you can even add a subtitle. A little bit of a brain fart there, but again, a subtitle for tech class pops up, and you can put your title in different colors, and even your subtitle in different colors. And you can add your own images that you can upload from your computer. And another really cool feature to these videos is you can add in how long you want your slide to pop up to be. So this one's 5 seconds, and you can just trim it and apply it. It's really cool. I really enjoy the time aspect of it. So I created my own little video that I'm going to show. So yeah, that was a video that I created using Animoto. It was so simple and so easy, and I honestly had a lot of fun with it, picking and choosing the different titles and subtitles that I wanted to add. So I decided to make this video about me because I figured that would just be the quickest and easiest. Another great thing that I like about this site is that unless you choose to publish your video, like somewhere on social media, your account stays private. So you don't have to have others look at your video unless you choose to publish it yourself. You can like link it to places such as like YouTube and different sites. So if you don't want people looking at your video, your account is completely private, which is another feature that I love about the site. So in regards to like pricing, again, Animoto is free, but you can upgrade to get more features. Um, the more money you pay, the more features that you get. But again, like it's free, so that's perfect, especially if you're an educator wanting to use this in the classroom. Like your students can go onto Animoto for free and learn through it and develop like understanding towards technology using Animoto. I know I definitely did. Um, it's a great tool to utilize inside the classroom. Students can come on here and just look at the different types of videos that they can create and go through. Say if like you are teaching a lesson on recycling and you want your students to create their own videos on recycling, you can pick like any type of video. You go to like a tutorial video and just choosing like a template, and like even though this is like a beauty tutorial video, students can go on, so it's loading, they can go on and get rid of all like the beauty aspects of the site of the tutorial that they're creating and literally make it all about like recycling if that's the lesson that you choose to do. It's just beneficial that they have these templates, but they can go on and choose different pictures, add different music, and type in own like different subtitles and stuff. So it's a great way to get students familiar with creating videos and the technology part of class, because I know when I was in class, when we had to create a video for a project, it was so hard. Animoto was not a tool that we were using, and I think that it would have been really beneficial. Using Animoto within the classroom connects to the knowledge constructor standard for students because they're learning how to utilize and create their own videos for educational purposes, which is a really awesome like thing to do within the classroom. It also connects to the collaborator standard for educators because teachers are able to use and utilize work with students to collaborate on different projects together. Say if the principal asks the teacher, hey, can your students create a video for me that I want to put onto the school website? Animoto is great to utilize. It gives you so many different templates and areas of expertise to just utilize and learn through. And it even it shows you how to make a tutorial video and literally step-by-step instructions. So overall, it's a really cool site, and I definitely enjoyed poking through it and creating my own video about me that maybe I'll publish to YouTube. I've been thinking about that. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that Animoto is something that strikes an interest in you and that you're able to go on and create your own video about yourself. So thank you.